Before modern logistics networks connected the world. Before automated factories reduced physical labor. Before performance fabrics transformed industrial clothing. There was work, hard work, cold work, physical work, the kind of work that tested not only people, but also the garments they depended on every day. Factories roared, railways expanded, ports operated around the clock. Construction projects transformed entire cities. The industrial age demanded endurance, and the workers who built that age needed clothing capable of enduring alongside them. One of the most successful solutions became known as the donkey jacket. Today, it is remembered as a symbol of British workwear, a practical coat associated with labor, resilience, and authenticity. Yet its story extends far beyond clothing. It is a story about industry, engineering, identity, and the relationship between work and culture. At first glance, the donkey jacket appears simple. Heavy wool, short length, reinforced shoulders, durable construction, nothing extravagant, nothing ornamental. Every feature serves a purpose. The garment was created for performance, not fashion, and that distinction explains much of its success. The origins of the donkey jacket are closely connected to industrial Britain. During the 19th and 20th centuries, workers faced challenging conditions. Cold temperatures, rain, wind, physical strain. Clothing needed to survive environments that placed extraordinary stress on materials. Ordinary garments often failed. Fabric wore out, seams weakened, shoulders experienced constant abrasion. Workers needed something stronger. The donkey jacket emerged in response. One of its most recognizable features became the reinforced shoulder panels. These panels were not decorative. They addressed a practical problem. Many industrial workers carried heavy loads. Tools, equipment, construction materials. Repeated contact created wear in predictable locations. The shoulders suffered particularly severe stress. Additional reinforcement extended garment lifespan significantly. This approach reflects a common principle in engineering. Strengthen areas where failure is most likely. Simple, effective, reliable. The engineering behind the donkey jacket reveals remarkable efficiency. The garment balanced durability and affordability. Both mattered. Workers required reliable clothing. Employers often required cost-effective solutions. The donkey jacket satisfied both requirements. Heavy wool provided warmth. The reinforced sections increased longevity. The overall design remained practical. No unnecessary complexity. Good workwear frequently follows this philosophy. Performance first, everything else second. Materials played a crucial role in success. Wool offered several advantages: insulation, durability, weather resistance, comfort. Even in damp conditions, wool continued providing warmth. This characteristic proved valuable in Britain's often unpredictable climate. The fabric helped workers remain productive during difficult weather. Comfort may seem secondary in industrial environments. In reality, it influences performance significantly. The donkey jacket understood this balance. The garment also reflected an important reality about industrial life. Clothing was equipment. Modern consumers often separate fashion and function. Industrial workers rarely possessed that luxury. A garment needed to perform. Its value depended on usefulness. The donkey jacket earned respect because it performed consistently. Psychology helps explain why the garment eventually acquired symbolic significance. Humans often admire objects associated with effort and competence. Workwear frequently carries powerful narratives. The donkey jacket became connected to labor itself. Factories, railways, shipyards, construction sites. The garment appeared wherever difficult work occurred. Over time, these associations accumulated. The coat evolved from equipment into symbol, a symbol of reliability, persistence, and practical intelligence. This transformation reflects a broader pattern in clothing history. Practical garments often acquire cultural meaning because they participate in important experiences. The donkey jacket participated in the daily lives of workers who helped build modern society. Its significance extended beyond fabric. The garment represented contribution. The visual identity of the donkey jacket strengthened this symbolism. The reinforced shoulders remained visible. Observers could immediately recognize the coat. Unlike hidden construction details, the reinforcement announced itself openly. The garment communicated purpose. Nothing appeared unnecessary. This honesty created authenticity. People often trust products that reveal how they work. The donkey jacket revealed everything. The design felt genuine because it was genuine. The 20th century expanded its influence further. Industrial culture increasingly entered public awareness. Photography documented working life. Films portrayed industrial environments. Media captured everyday labor. The donkey jacket appeared repeatedly within these images. Its cultural visibility increased. The coat became associated with the dignity of work. An important idea, one that resonated strongly across different communities. Political and social movements occasionally adopted similar visual symbols. Workwear garments often communicate solidarity. Shared experience, collective effort. The donkey jacket participated in these conversations, not because designers intended it, but because workers wore it. Meaning emerged naturally. Fashion eventually recognized this significance. Heritage fashion frequently draws inspiration from authentic workwear. Designers admire garments developed through necessity. Such products possess credibility. Every feature exists for a reason. The donkey jacket exemplifies this principle perfectly. Its design evolved through real-world testing rather than aesthetic speculation. Modern consumers often value this authenticity. The rise of workwear culture accelerated renewed interest. Durability became fashionable. Craftsmanship became fashionable. Functionality became fashionable. The donkey jacket fit naturally within these trends. Its historical reputation aligned with contemporary values. The garment offered something many products struggle to provide. A genuine story, not invented, not manufactured, earned. Global fashion culture expanded appreciation further. Today, donkey jackets appear in heritage collections, vintage markets, and modern interpretations. Many wearers have never worked in a railway yard or factory, yet the garment continues communicating meaningful ideas. Resilience, honesty, practicality, these values remain attractive. The coat survives because the qualities it represents remain relevant. Technology has transformed industrial clothing dramatically. Modern workwear often incorporates advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. Performance has improved, comfort has improved, protection has improved, yet the donkey jacket remains respected. This persistence reveals something important. Not every successful product survives because it remains technically superior. Some survive because they become culturally important. The donkey jacket achieved that status. Its influence extends beyond performance. The garment tells a story people continue finding valuable. Perhaps that is why it endures. Not because it follows trends, but because it represents something larger than fashion. The connection between work and identity, effort and achievement, utility and meaning, these ideas rarely become obsolete. And beneath the wall, beneath the reinforced shoulders, beneath the factories, railways, and generations of industrial history, the donkey jacket tells a larger story. A story about labor, about resilience, about creating objects that earn trust through performance. Because the most respected designs are not always the most glamorous. They are the ones that remain dependable when conditions become difficult. The donkey jacket became exactly that. A garment of work, a symbol of authenticity, and one of the most enduring icons in the history of industrial clothing.